Nathanael Greene stood, fought, and withdrew, but the damage done at Guilford Courthouse sent Cornwallis marching toward Yorktown. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. By 1781, the Revolutionary War raged through the Carolinas. Britain sought one decisive blow to crush the rebellion in the South. American forces were led by Nathanael Greene. Opposing him was Charles Cornwallis, relentless, aggressive, and determined. Outnumbered, Greene chose the ground carefully, near Guilford Courthouse in North Carolina, planning not to win outright, but to bleed the British army. Greene deployed his men in 3 lines, militia up front, then regulars, then veteran Continentals, forcing the British to fight through each layer. As Cornwallis pushed forward, his troops took heavy casualties. Desperate, he ordered artillery fired into the melee, killing friend and foe alike. Greene withdrew in good order. The British held the ground, but their army was shattered, exhausted, and bleeding. Though technically a British victory, Guilford crippled Cornwallis, forcing him toward the coast, and eventual disaster at Yorktown. Guilford Courthouse proved a hard truth of the Revolution: sometimes the side that survives, not the one that holds the field, wins the war.